Have you ever eaten a Big Mac with French fries and a Coke to drink? Have you ever eaten at McDonald's? Today, we are talking about the history, the story of McDonald's and how it became one of the most famous, most well-known brands in the United States. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are talking about McDonald's. This restaurant is everywhere. It is not just in the United States. No, it is around the world. How did it become such a big company, such a well-known brand? Let's find out. McDonald's it was created in the 1940s in a city in California in the United States. The city was named San Bernardino. San Bernardino. And the restaurant was created by two brothers. And the brothers were named Richard and Maurice McDonald. Of course, their last name was McDonald. These two brothers created a restaurant in San Bernardino called McDonald's Barbecue. Remember my video on barbecue? Well, McDonald's started by selling many different types of food, including barbecue. Of course, they also sold hamburgers, of course, French fries, and also milkshakes. Wow. But McDonald's sold barbecue? Of course, all the people that went to McDonald's, all of them, they did not order barbecue. No, they wanted burgers and fries to eat. And the brothers, Maurice and Richard McDonald, were very smart. And they saw the people wanted burgers and fries. So the brothers stopped selling barbecue and they focused on burgers and fries. And the brothers thought together that people wanted to eat very fast. And so they needed to cook the burgers, the burgers, and the French fries, and the French fries quickly. And so they came up with something very important to McDonald's. The brothers came up with the speedy service system. Speedy means fast. And they created and ran, they were in charge of McDonald's like a factory. Each person that worked in McDonald's, each person that worked in McDonald's had one job. One person was in charge of cooking the burgers. One person was in charge of making the French fries, and one person was in charge of talking with the clients, with the people that wanted to eat. This person took their order and gave them their food. Each person had one job, and this worked. The brothers started to make a lot of money. And the speedy service system was the start of fast food in the United States. A few years later, a man, a salesman, a person who sells things to people, named Ray Kroc, he came to visit the brothers because the brothers bought 8 milkshake machines to make milkshakes to drink, which is like ice cream, but a liquid like water, well, thicker, more creamy than water. It was like ice cream you could drink. It is. You can have milkshakes today. They bought 8 machines, and Ray Kroc, he realized these brothers were very smart, and they were doing something important. When he visited the brothers and McDonald's barbecue, Ray, he saw money. He saw money that he could make. And he opened up 4 more McDonald's barbecue with the brothers. And they made even more money. Ray Kroc called this idea franchising, making more of the same restaurant in different cities, not just in San Bernardino. The brothers were very happy, and they opened more and more McDonald's, 8, 10, more and more across the country. One day, Ray Kroc, he offered to buy McDonald's barbecue from the brothers. He offered $2.6 million to buy McDonald's barbecue. Today, that's a lot of money. But back then, it was a ton. Was it a good idea for Ray Kroc to buy McDonald's barbecue? I think so. I'm sorry. He did not pay $2.6 million. He paid $2.7 million. The brothers agreed. They wanted a small family restaurant, but Ray wanted to continue. He wanted to continue opening up more McDonald's across the country. The brothers accepted the money, and Ray changed the name to McDonald's. Just McDonald's. In the 1970s, Ray Kroc was very happy. McDonald's was huge in different countries. Already, it was in Japan. And Ray Kroc was making a lot of money. The Golden Arches, which is another name for McDonald's because of the logo, looks like two arches. The golden for the color arches was in Japan and a symbol of the United States. Ray added new items to the menu, like breakfast. In the morning, you could get a breakfast at McDonald's. For example, he created the Egg McMuffin. And he also added the most famous burger, the Big Mac from McDonald's. And for little kids, he added the Happy Meal, which included a toy to play with. Ray was very smart. What does McDonald's look like today? What does it look like today? What does it look like today in the year 2025? What does it look like today? Today, there are 38,000 McDonald's across the world in 100 different countries. 100 countries. And every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, every day, about 70 million people eat at McDonald's. Wow. That means McDonald's is making a lot of money. In conclusion, to sum up, McDonald's started with two brothers, was created by two brothers, and has become one of the biggest companies in the entire world. From one restaurant to 38,000. Wow, a big change. Have you eaten at McDonald's? What did you eat? I like the Big Mac. It's very good. What about you? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.